for providing support, dinner support, and so much loyalty to this channel. Thank you for coming back and checking my materials. After all, it's all for you and you only, the community in need. Moving forward, I just wanted to share with all of you that you can actually get certain important items that will keep your family and children safe for free. According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 out of 5 home fires deaths properly working smoke because um let me repeat. According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 out of 5 home fire deaths occur in houses that don't have properly working smoke detectors. In January 2018, wow, that year was happening a lot of things. Maryland passed a law requiring all residents to have a working smoke detector installed, and Virginia lawmakers have now made the illegal for localities to implement similar policies. If you are a resident of the United States or you just want to save $15 when replacing or installing a smoke detector, check out organization near you that provide free smoke detectors, free installation, and free battery replacement services. Several local fire departments offer free smoke detectors and will even come to your house to install them. For example, residents of Baltimore City or Fairfax, Virginia, sorry for the confusion, can call the fire department, the fire's non-emergency number to request a free smoke detector. Contact your fire department non-emergency number to see if they offer for free smoke detectors and installations. Through its Home Fire campaign, okay, let's move forward. But I just want to let you know that through its Home Fire campaign, the American Red Cross provides free smoke detectors to residents of 12 states. You can also submit your request through getasmokealarm.org, which I'm gonna sell it to you pretty soon. But talking about the Red Cross Eastern New York region or American Red Cross, schedule a free Red Cross home fire safety visit. Fill out the form below to request an appointment. Yes, it has to be through an appointment right here. Form, you gotta fill it up very easy. Okay? The American Red Cross is making homes safer through the Home Fire campaign. With the help of local volunteers and partners, they're installing free smoke alarm in homes that don't have them, and educating people about fire safety. The form below, you have to fill it up to request a visit from their Home Fire campaign team. Answer all the questions to complete your request, and a Red Cross representative will follow up to schedule, confirm an appointment for you. Okay? During this appointment, the Red Cross training volunteer will install up to 3 free smoke alarms to make your home safer, help you develop personalized fire escape plan, provide valuable fire safety tips and training for all members of your household. Wow, that's really cool. Really cool. Please complete the form below, and a member of our fire campaign team will follow up to schedule or confirm your in-home visit. We will do the best to schedule an appointment during the preferred time, but we may need to request an alternative day or time to fulfill your request. This is the form, the preferred day home visit, the timing, and you submit it. Also, you fill it up. This home fire escape plans. Anyways, I just wanted to share with all of you this. Oh, yes, right here, the Red Cross. Remember that I was telling you about the getasmokealarm.org? Oh, this is the redcross.org. Here's where you get the stuff. Right here, join the American Red Cross to sound the alarm, save a life. Just one day of your life can change someone else forever. Home fires claim seven. Home fire claims 7 lives every day, but having working smoke alarm can cut the risk of death by half. That's why the American Red Cross is rallying volunteers to install 50,000 free smoke alarm nationwide. That's part of their sound alarm events. This May they will install free smoke alarm and share safety information in at-risk communities where it's safe to do so. Fundraise to help families prepare for, respond to, and recover from home fires. Okay. How can you get involved? Help the Red Cross sounds the alarm about home fire safety through education, volunteer, and providing financial support. Free education to help your family prepare for home fire. Well, interested in learning more about how to prepare. Think anybody can sign up for these. You can volunteer to help family affected by home fires, not available in all locations. Fitness challenge, join the challenge and fundraise to support home fire preparation and relief, and donate to support home fire relief and help save lives. Okay, in a home fire, you can actually can your family safely escape in just 2 minutes. It's your own household prepared for a home fire. Just two simple steps that can prepare your family to escape from a home fire. Practice practice a 2 minute fire drill. This is a video, but I'm not gonna play, of course, for that YouTube algorithm. Um, it's definitely gonna get me hit. I know it. I can feel it in my jellies. So I'm not doing that. So you can test your smoke alarm monthly as well. Test your smoke alarm monthly by pressing the test button. You should hear 3 beeps letting you know the alarm is working. Don't hear the beeps, then it's time to change the batteries. If your motor is requirement, if your smoke alarm is 10 years old, it's time to get a new alarm because the sensor become less sensitive over time. Okay, you got this. Alright. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I'm gonna read all this because I don't wanna feed you too much intel and get you bored to the point that you leave the channel. My goal is to keep you engaged and provide back to the community the best way I can. Alright, so Please provide me any questions, concerns, that you may have. Write me down below. I'm gonna leave the URLs accessed to these pages so you can actually have an idea. The URL down below the video description, you're gonna find it. Okay. Good luck and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. This is for production. Bye bye.